Welcome to MarineMax Pensacola. Today we're going to do a walkthrough of this 2021 Sea Ray 310 SLX outboard. The outside hull color is new for 2021. It's the Kingfisher Teal. This boat is powered by twin white Mercury Verado 300s. Quick oil fill, oil check system. Cowling comes right off. This boat does have underwater lights. Transom seating, flip up backrest, and you can see the sure shade for extra protection. Walk through transom, your dual battery switches are here, fresh water, and your chargers plug in right there. Here in the back you'll see your L-shaped seating. Over on the starboard side you've got a sink, a cooler, and you have another spacious area to put another cooler inside there. As we make our way through, this seat does swivel. Here at the helm, this is powered by the joystick, autopilot, digital throttle shift, trim tabs, dual SIMRAD screens, upgraded fusion stereo, and push buttons. Over here on the port side, you have your very spacious head, lockable glove box. Making our way to the bow area, you'll have a bow block-off door. Your breakers are right here. Up in the bow, this does have a pump out head system on the port side. Over here is your fresh water fill. And this also comes with an anchor windlass system. This concludes the walkthrough of the 2021 Sea Ray 310 SLX outboard. Come see us at MarineMax Pensacola.